Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into GitHub and opening the repository you want to change. Once in the repo, click the Settings tab on the right. This takes you to the controls. Make sure you have admin or owner permissions, otherwise changes won't save. If you're in an organization, confirm you're allowed to change visibility. Once done, scroll to the Danger Zone section where visibility controls live so you can take the next actions immediately. You now find the Danger Zone and the Visibility option. Click Change Visibility. Choose public, private, or internal depending on your needs and organization policies because each affects access and billing. When you select an option, GitHub shows prompts explaining consequences. Read them. Make sure to type the repository name exactly if asked. This confirmation prevents accidental changes. After typing, click the button to apply the change, and you finish by verifying the new visibility appears in the repo header and settings page. This confirms success. Make sure to review team access, deploy keys, tokens, and CI/CD settings because private repos restrict previously public integrations. If the change fails or is blocked, check organization-level policies and your permission level. Contact an organization owner if restrictions apply. As a quick fix, refresh, clear cache, or try the change in an incognito window to rule out local caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.